Want to know how to check if a year is a leap year in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. First things first, here we have this simple 9-line code right here. So you can just simply copy up. And we need to keep in mind that a leap year occurs every 4 years, except for years divisible by 100 and unless it's also divisible by 400. So we use this logical condition to decide. So right here we have an inty that is 2024 for now, and now we use a if statement. So we have used an if else statement, so we use this logical condition right here. So if y is not divisible by 100 or if y is divisible by 400, then we print out it's a leap year. So that's it. That's the simple formula you should keep in mind. Just make sure that it is not divisible by 100 and it's divisible by 400. So on else if nothing is possible, we just simply print out it's not a leap year. And that's it. Super simple and easy. You can run the code to check the results and you're good to go. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.